Amidst the raging floodwaters, four Marines didn't hesitate. Streets turned to rivers. Cars were submerged, but they pushed forward. A family trapped inside? Not on their watch. But first, isn't this cat as cute? Like and subscribe if this cat is cute. See this poor dog leave prayer emoji and infinite. Luck will come to you if you do in few days. Wading through knee-deep currents, they reach the stranded vehicle. No time to waste, hands extended. They push the car in high area. No capes, just courage. When disaster strikes, heroes wear uniforms. Semper Fi.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah.